Good morning, grade 1 students. Welcome in your literacy class. This is your day 14, week 14, and day is the fourth day, that is the last day of this week, right? So, I hope you all are feeling good, your tummies are full, you had good breakfast, right? And you all are ready to study. Now, tell me, class, what you did yesterday in your literacy class. What was the topic that we did? We have done, yes, we did more than one. That was about grammar. We learned about plurals yesterday. Now, today, what we are going to learn is something different that is related to comprehension. We are going to learn to write something. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn to write something. Okay? And what is that? You are going to learn to describe yourself. Alright? Okay, understand? Now, first of all, tell me, how are you going to describe your moms? Describe your moms. Come on. One by one. Okay, my mom is very beautiful. Okay. Any other thing? She loves me. Alright. She cooks yummy food for me. Very good. Any other thing? She makes me ready. So this is what you have described your moms, right? The easiest way to describe someone, right? Because I know you all love your moms and it is easy for you to describe your moms, right? Now, I'm going to show you, share a picture of a character, and that character is about a fairy tale story. You all must have heard lots and lots of fairy tales. Do you love fairy tales? That is a make-believe fiction stories. Yes. So that's a very famous character of fairy tale. I want you to look at that character and try to describe it. Okay? All right. There you go. One, two, and three. Can you all see the screen? Great, Shiva. Okay. Now, which character is this? Yes, it's the famous character of Cinderella. Now, how are you going to describe Cinderella? She is very beautiful. Okay. Now, what else? This, first of all, you are going to tell that this is a character of this picture is of Cinderella. Okay. Now, then how are you going to describe? She's very beautiful. Okay. And what is the color of her hair? Yellow color. Okay. Now, just a minute. Now, see to it. When you are describing something, you have to keep something in mind which is very, very important. Now, first of all, you are going to name that person which you are describing. Like suppose if you are describing Cinderella, you have named that character that this picture is of Cinderella. Then you have to describe the looks of that character. How does that character looks like? Like you can say she looks very beautiful. Why she looks very beautiful? Because she has which color hair? Yellow, or you can say golden color hair. Her hair is short, her eyes are, and then you can describe her face that her eyes are very big, her face is very beautiful, right? And then you can describe what she is wearing. She is wearing a beautiful pink color dress, right? You understood? This is how you are going to describe how the character looks like, how that person looks like when you see that person. You understand? Okay. First you have written the name, then how the character looks like. In the look, you in looks you can write the hair, eyes, face, how beautiful it, whether she is tall, whether she is short. Okay. Then comes the character. How is her character? Is she a happy person? Is she a smiley person? Is she a good character person? Humble person? Kind to everyone? Do you understand? Yes? So first you will write the name. Then you will write how she looks like. right? That her face, her hair is of golden color, things like that. And then you will describe the character. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Now, let's write in the form of sentences, whatever we have discussed, these 3 points. Okay, ready? All right, there you go. Okay, all right. This picture is of Cinderella. Yes, this picture is of Cinderella. Then he is very, she looks very beautiful. Yes, then she has yellow her hair is of, you can say golden color. Yes, her eyes are very big. Yes, her eyes are very big. Okay. Now these are about her looks, and now about she. What is she wearing? She is wearing a pink color dress. Right? Now comes the character. Cinderella is very is a very kind and humble person. Yes, she is very kind and humble person. And what else? She likes making friends. Okay, and I like this character. At in the and last, I like this character. Now, how you have described this picture is of Cinderella. She looks very beautiful. Her hair is of golden color. Her eyes are very big. She is wearing a pink color dress. Cinderella is a very kind and humble person. She likes making friends, and I like this character. See how you have answered all these questions. You have answered the name. How does you have answered the look? How she looks like, and what is her character like? You understood? Now, this is how you are going to describe yourself. That my name is, suppose if I'm talking about myself, I will write my name is Shaista. I have a brown color hair which is long, not very long. Then I have, you can say, big eyes and a small nose on my face. My height is very short. My height is short. You can say I'm not too long, too tall. Then comes my character. I like making friends. I like to go out for outing, and I love children. This is how I will describe myself. Okay, understood? Now, what you are going to do, open your page 65 and you will find here writing all about me. Right? This is a picture and they have described all about me. My name is Jess. I have long, straight hair and brown eyes. Now they have described all three things in one sentence. I have long, straight hair and brown eyes. I have a friendly face and a small nose. I have three good friends. They make me happy, right? So this is how Jess has described herself, that she has long straight hair with brown eyes, and she has a friendly face and a small nose, and I have three good friends, they make me happy. This is how you are going to describe yourself. But you are not going to write in lines like that. What you have to do is you have to write a list of words or phrases you might use to describe yourself, such as tall, short. The word in the box will help. Then now write three sentences about yourself. Now what you are going to do first, you have to choose words and phrases that describe yourself, like the word blue, brown, curly, dark, happy, large, long, pale, round, sad, short, small, straight, strong, bright, kind, which describe yourself. Select any three phrases and write three sentences. Then, after selecting three phrases, you have to write three sentences about yourself. Now, since it is writing, you might take some time, so I'm going to give you 12 minutes for this task, okay? And your time starts now. Okay, class, time is up. Now read out what you have written. Yes, Ali, can you describe yourself? Three phrases or sentences what you have written. I am Ali. I have short brown hair and black eyes. Very good. I have a Again, I have a friendly face and a small nose, and I like making friends. Very good. Very good, Ali. Okay, Alia, how you have described yourself? Come on. Okay, my name is Alia. I have short curly hair with black eyes. Okay. I have a round face with a tiny nose. Okay. Then the third one, I am very kind and I like making friends. Very good. See how easy it has become. You have started by telling your name, then you have written how you look like and what is the character about. Like someone said that I am very kind, I like making friends, and I have a friendly face, things like that. So this is how you will describe yourself. You understood? Now, whatever homework I will give you, I will post that homework on portal. Do that homework and keep watching your EdWorld videos. There are loads and loads of videos on your website. Keep watching those videos and do your homework yourself and keep revising also. It's going to help you out before your exams. Okay, class? All right. So I hope you have learned this, whatever we have done in class. So see you later tomorrow and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.